Assalamu alaikum students, this is our third video of science grade 3, Oxford Science grade 3. So on your science book, on students science book, you will open page number 26 and there will be concept check. So page number 26 concept check, there will be written complete these sentences using correct word from the list at the end of each. So I'm going to read all the statements which are given and you will fill the blanks with the bold words. So all living things breathe. Fish breathe through gills. Leaves take in air through stomata. Leaves take in air through stomata. Okay. The next concept check is at the page number 30. Next, at the page number 30, at the top of the page number 30, there is concept check. Match the definition with the word. Write them out in your book. Habitat, it will be matched the natural environment in which a particular animal or plant lives. Adaptation, when plants and animals have developed special parts that help them to survive in their environment. Breathing, the process of taking air into and out the body. Reproduction, the process by which parent plant and animals produce their youngs. This was the concept check. Please match it. The exercises at the page number 33. So let's start doing exercises. Choose the correct answer. After each statement, there are 4 answers given. These bold ones are the correct answers. Plant take in water through this part. The correct answer is D, roots. Which of the following is adapted to live underwater? The correct answer is D, fish. Number 3, the natural home of animal or plant is called its habitat. Number A, habitat. To survive, an animal needs a habitat that contains food, water, air and shelter. B is correct answer. Which of these is a habitat of camel and cactus? A, desert. Fill in the blanks with these words. The words are given in the box: adult, leaves, birds, scents, kitten and snacks. So first fill in the blanks will be filled. First blank will be filled by the birds and snakes lay eggs. Second, a cat gives birth to kittens. Third, plants take in air through tiny holes in their leaves. Plants do not have sense organ. Babies grow into adults. Birds, snakes, birth, kitten, leaf, sense, adult are respectively bolded. At the page number 34, you can watch some scrambled word. When you will unscramble them, LABONOL CARTURO SLOWERFUN. So when you will unscramble these words, it will be changes into living things and non-living things. And after unscrambling and guessing, you will write the living things in the living things column and the non-living things, the name of non-living things, you will write the non-living things columns. So in the first line, a third word is slow fun. Actually it's the sunflower. So in the living thing column, you will first write sunflower, then giraffe, then monkey. These 3 names are living things, non-living things: balloon, tractor, basket. So in non-living things, you will write these words. Make up some anagrams of your own. Ask other to work out the answers. So the jumbled words are also called anagrams. You can make some anagrams and also play with your sisters and brothers at home to think about it and rearrange the words. This is also the word game. This is also called the word game and the puzzle game. and so on. You can say, you can give your own name as well as. So number 4, answer these questions. What do animals use their sense organ for? Answer is, animals use their sense organ to search for food and to sense danger. What will happen to the animal, to an animal, if it does not eat or drink? If an animal does not eat or drink, it will die. Which organ helps a fish to breathe? Gills enables a fish to breathe, or gills helps a fish to breathe. Which flowers show us that plants move? How do they move? Sunflowers show us that plants move by turning to sun. The petals of morning glory plant open every morning. The name of 2 plants is given. If it will be possible, the students can also witness that the sunflower move by turning its face towards sun, and the petal of morning glory plants open every morning. What happens to dinosaurs and dodo? They became extinct. They are not. No. What is ecosystem? An ecosystem is the living thing in a particular place interacting with each other and with non-living component, weather, sun, soil, climate and atmosphere. Non-living components' names are written in the brackets. Number 5, think about it. You may need to use book or internet to find the answer. Which grows to full size the quickest? Put the following in order. Which is the quickest first? Fly, rabbit, cat, elephant. First fly, second cat, third elephant, third man, fourth elephant. In the table given on your book, page number 35, animals, years. Chimpanzees 55 years, tiger lives 20 years, elephant lives 78 years, blue whale 110 years, mouse 5 years. Tell your teacher in your own words. The students inshallah will be prepared in the class for this part. Are these things living or non-living? How you can tell? Write L for living and L for non-living. The students will do these questions by their own. All the other activities will be done in the classroom. The work which is shown in the video, the students will do. Wherever you may be not understanding, you can call and you can send WhatsApp to the school. Please do your work very neatly. Just keep in touch with the school and keep watching our videos. Also like, share and subscribe and suggest to the other. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.